Days after 4 protesting farmers were run over in Lakhimpur Kheri, Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son Ashish Mishra, who was allegedly driving the killer SUV, roams scot-free. This despite an FIR registered against him for murder. Videos from Sunday's incident have now emerged which show a car moving down protesting farmers. Another video shows a man believed to be Ashish Mishra escaping after the incident. The opposition is now up in arms against the Yogi Adityanath government's handling of the violence and PM Modi's silence over it. While the accused is still far from getting arrested, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was detained for defying prohibitory orders. Ms. Vadra is confined to the Sitapur guest house, which is serving as a temporary jail. Congress has questioned the validity of the arrest as she was detained without a legal order and an FIR filed over 40 hours after she was first detained. Earlier today, Rahul Gandhi slammed the government for its dictatorial approach and questioned the authenticity of the autopsy reports.
अब कुछ समय से हिंदुस्तान के किसानों पर सरकार का आक्रमण हो रहा है। एक तो किसानों को जीप के नीचे कुचला जा रहा है, उनका मर्डर किया जा रहा है। बीजेपी के होम मिनिस्टर की बात हो रही है, उनके पुत्र की बात हो रही है, उन पे कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया जा रहा है। दूसरी तरफ पूरे देश के किसानों पर सिस्टमैटिकली एक के बाद एक आक्रमण हो रहा है।
Meanwhile, the farmers of the deceased said they do not believe the post-mortem report which said the farmers died due to shock, excessive bleeding and hemorrhage. Farmers have accused the UP government of a cover-up to save the minister's son. The autopsy report has no mention of farmers being hit or having sustained bullet injuries. The autopsy report of Guruvinder Singh, another victim of the attack, is awaited. Guruvinder Singh's family claims he died of bullet injuries. Farmer leaders say that Ashish Mishra shot one of the farmers while fleeing the spot. Tejinder Virk, an injured protester presently under treatment at Delhi's Medanta hospital, told media persons that the minister's son was part of the convoy of cars that allegedly mowed down at least 3 farmers on Sunday. With the last rites finally performed on all 4 farmers, the UP government has given in to the pressure and granted permission to leaders of political parties to visit Lakhimpur Kheri, but in groups of 5. The permission, however, seems to be a sham, with Rahul Gandhi and other Congress leaders not allowed to travel in their vehicles from Lucknow airport.
मैं देश का नागरिक हूं, मैं उत्तर प्रदेश आया हूं। आपने कहा कि मैं जा सकता हूं, मैं जाना चाहता हूं, आप मुझे क्यों नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं? पहले इन्होंने मुझे बोला कि आप अपनी गाड़ी में जा सकते हैं, ठीक है? अब बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं, अब आप पुलिस की गाड़ी में जाएंगे।
Amidst the chaos, the Uttar Pradesh government has ordered a judicial inquiry headed by a retired High Court judge. It also announced a compensation of 45 lakh rupees and government jobs to the family of the deceased, while those injured will be given government jobs. Meanwhile, farmers across UP and its neighboring states have intensified their protests against the union government, comparing the incident with the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. A federal report.